Oh my gosh, so good. Fluffy. Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Hour with Ollie. I'm Ollie and today we are at Park Crest Diner, located in Burnaby, British Columbia, Canada. This is their hamburger special platter. Oh, it looks and smells so good. So excited. You know what? I'm gonna go and dig into the first thing on the plate, the main show, the hamburger. Okay, so you can see this is a hamburger patty and it looks like they've grilled it and then put some sauce and onions on top. Caramelized onions make anything good. Ready? Let's go for it. Oh, yummy. So the hamburger patty is made with really good quality mince. So there's a good balance of lean and that little bit of softness of fat. And it's been cooked to perfection. The onions on top really makes this dish because it provides a different kind of texture and also a burst of freshness. Caramelized bit of the onion provides a lovely sweetness as well. The sauce is quite mild, savory, a little bit peppery. It is really yummy. Okay, let's move on to the next thing, veggies. We've got here corn and carrots. The veggies are not seasoned, which is fine with me because I usually like doing seasoning by myself, and I'll dip my veggies in the sauce. Really yummy. Let me have another bite. Last, but definitely not least, are the fries. This dish, I'm told, usually comes with mashed potatoes, but because they ran out of mashed potatoes today, they provided fries for me. French fries are really well deep fried. The outside is lovely and crunchy. Inside, I don't know if you can see or not, is super light and fluffy. I love it. Oh my gosh, this hamburger platter is so good. This is the reason why I love diners. The food is so good and it's all like very homely and comforting. And it kind of pains me to think that diners are on the decline, not just in Canada, but also in the States as well. I think in the last 20 years, the number of diners in New York City has fallen by about half. Actually, in my neighborhood, I've had at least 2 diners that I really like go out of business. Yeah, it's really a pity. Why would diners be going out of business? Why are diners not popular anymore? I did some digging and it turns out that with the rent prices going up and food prices going up, it's been really tough for diners because they have a huge menu. They need to provide a whole bunch of different foods. So that means they need to keep inventory for all that food too. Another reason why diners might be on the decline is that the population is slowly changing. So whenever I'm at diners, I tend to observe that the clientele is a bit older and millennials or teenagers are nowhere in sight. The ever-changing palates of young people, and also with lots of immigration, lots of immigrants bringing their own cuisine and their culture into Canada, I think young people these days, and especially foodies, have so much more options than ever before, and so they may not even know about diners, and eating at a diner might not be as attractive to them as trying new flavors. And nowadays, with the pandemic and related regulations, it's been hard on all of the restaurants. But I think on diners, it's especially hard, precisely because they do such a huge range of food and they need to keep all that food in stock as well. Even though diners are slowly on the decline, to me, they're irreplaceable because I come here not only for the good food, but because of how the food makes me feel. It makes me feel comfortable. I'm familiar with it. I love it. What's there not to like? Do you like diner food? What is your favorite dish from diners? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll never miss a happy hour adventure with me. Be sure to look me up on Instagram and use the hashtag #HappyHourWithOllie. Until we eat and drink again next time, cheers mates! Bye!